Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. Hi. In this video I will show you how to check what motherboard do you have in Windows 10. You don't need to open your PC case, and search motherboard type and model. You can check that within Windows 10 system. But, before we start, just to remind you, don't forget to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe if this video helped you, because in that way you support my channel. And now we are moving to our video. To check what motherboard you have on your PC, first go with your mouse on Start, right-click on it, and select Run. In search bar, type MSInfo32, and press Enter or click OK. Make sure System Summary is selected on the left side. Now, on the right side, search for baseboard manufacturer, baseboard product, and baseboard version. Under them, you have all info of your motherboard you need. So if you need any additional infos about your motherboard, like how much RAM does she support, or you need to troubleshoot it, you will enter this information here on Google, and you will find your motherboard online, so you can continue to look what you need to find out about your motherboard. So, this was guide how to check what motherboard do you have in Windows 10. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.